If you're a nature lover, then you need to dive into the magic of the forest with us. Meet Barry the bear, our big, cuddly introvert who loves snacking on berries and taking long naps. Over there is Sammy the squirrel, always on the move, hiding acorns like they're going out of style. And check out Ellie the owl, our wise old night owl, literally, who's got the best seat in the house for stargazing. Forest life is a bustling neighborhood of critters and characters, each with their own quirky habits and hidden talents. So next time you hear the rustle of leaves or the hoot of an owl, remember, there's a whole world of wildlife wonders just waiting to be discovered.